kanina, tinanong ka about sa mandate ng OVP at DepEd, no? At tinanong din ng ating good counsel kung eto bang si OVP under its mandate, allowed ba itong mag-receive ng confidential funds? To which you said, mukhang hindi ho. Noong 2022, no, the fourth quarter of 2022, alam ho ba ninyo na inapprove ng Office of the President ang confidential funds ng OVP?
Based po sa mga documents na nasubmit sa amin, opo, meron pong
Okay.
approval.
Noong 2023 ho, nasa General Appropriations Act po yung confidential funds ng OVP. Tama po?
Based po sa mga submissions sa amin, opo, nasa GAA po.
Okay. In short, ito po ay inapprove ng ating Congress, yung GAA. Tama po?
Opo, tama po.
Okay. Does the JC prohibit the Office of the Vice President from receiving confidential funds?
Nakalagay po sa JC yung mga agencies na
Just answer my question. Direct, simple lang naman ho, may prohibition ho ba sa JC on the Office of the Vice President receiving confidential funds?
wala po.
Wala. How about the Department of Education? May pinagbabawal ba yung JC na maka-receive ito ng confidential funds yung DepEd?
Based sa JC po, wala po.
Okay.